Internship, week number 3. Within this week, we are tasked to build a simple to-do list application using Laravel. We need to implement its core features in the application, and they are the following. Create a database schema or models, namely user and to-do, and relate them in the database. Implement user authentication that consists of the following modules: login, register, and change password. Next is to let users create their to-dos and perform the basic CRUD operations on it. CRUD means create, read, update, and delete or destroy. Users can register, log in, they can create to-do, they can update to-do, they can delete it, and they can also edit their profile. I love this week because finally we had a coding task. Here I learned another popular web framework, which is Laravel. I can't imagine that I learned such huge framework within 2 weeks. I learned different core features of Laravel and how to utilize them to build application.